101 Garage here. We thought we'd just do another video on the ZX7s. I want a bird. Anyway, this is Sophia. We're going to take her out today. We're not taking Lily because she has a leaking fuel pump. As far as I can tell, that happened on a long ride yesterday. So we're going to have to get that fixed. We have Ivy here. Red one's Aria. Orange Crush. Ziggy. The yellow one's Evelyn. And the black purple bike is Mica. We're going to start them all today and get them out. Get them warmed up. Blow out the cobs. Check the tire pressure. Hey, leave in the comments which bikes I'm truly missing. I love ZX7s, but I'm always missing one. I know I'm missing a red one like this. I think it's only a European model. I've never seen one with the graphics like this. I'm missing a silver one, which we're kind of chasing one down. And the burgundy one. Please let us know if you know where our burgundy one is. Those are just beautiful bikes. I would like to have one. So anyway, we're checking these out today. And like I said, air pressure, make sure the fuel's okay. All these bikes, for the most part, have their back OEM fenders. I like that, except for the yellow one. They all have different exhaust, except Ziggy has the OEM exhaust, which I kind of like. And then the other one that has the OEM exhaust is Aria. Alright, I appreciate you guys letting me share the ZX7s with you and what we're doing. Everybody has such good comments, a lot of positive feedback. If you'd like to see anything, let us know in the comments. We're working on some other videos and trying to do better. I ordered some cameras for doing the rides. And yeah, keep in touch and please just ask any questions. Alright, take care, have a great day. Thanks for 101 Garage. Hey, make sure you go to YouTube and subscribe to 101 Garage Arizona. It helps us out a lot. Later, bye.